So welcome back to the second tutorial video. What we're going to be doing in this particular video is to be looking at how to navigate, access, and complete the core lesson videos. So I'm going to make it very explicit what I expect from you guys. So let's navigate into what's the matter. So I'm at home. I am wanting to do my science homework. The first place I would go to is the calendar to check what is due. Okay, so let's assume that we have to do lesson 3, okay, of what's the matter. So I would navigate into the core program, okay, because this is where all the videos are stored. Click on that, and these drop down, okay. So lesson 3, the atom, okay, you just need to click on that. And once it, pops up to the side, like so, I will start my attempt. Okay, so starting my attempt, waiting for it to launch the SCORM. The SCORM package is just the video package. Now these videos are interactive. That is, they have links that you can click on, as well as interactive quizzes that pop up. So in this case, this has popped up. Sometimes, however, they won't pop up. Okay, like this. Okay, oh, didn't pop up. What you need to do when that happens, you navigate up to the web address bar and you click on the little lock. And then you go to site settings. In the site settings, okay, you're going to have something called a pop-up blocker. So pop-ups and redirects. So you notice that mine says allow. Now, if yours hasn't popped up, it means that it is blocked. What you need to do is click on allow, close the window, and then navigate back to here and reload the page. Now, sometimes when you reload the page, you've just got to get back out of it and go into the video. So just waiting for it to load. Okay, so it's not going to launch. So again, just close it. What's the matter? Core program. And lesson 3, the atom. Now, once you've allowed the pop-ups, it will pop up just like you saw before. Okay, continue attempt 1. And it pops up like so. So you click on play. Now I need you to enter your first and last name. Now this is because this will go into my database. So it goes into the database. Whoop. If I can actually type it in. .au. Okay. So video is loading. Okay, so pops up nicely. Now I might just mute this. Okay, it's just so it's not annoying. So I would expect you to, let's go back. I would expect you to write out the title, which in this case is the atom, at the top of your page. So lesson 3, the atom. Underneath that, the learning intention. So we would write out in the learning intention, which is a subheading, goes in red. The to outline the components of the atom will go in blue or black. Now, once I have explained the learning intention, the structure of the lesson is going to pop up. Let's see if we can speed this up. Like this. What I want you to write out is structure of the lesson, again in red, and then underneath that, I want you to write out 2, glossary terms, 3, presentation of the atom, all the way to the Coresite quiz. Now, the Coresite quiz isn't something you're going to do at the end, it's something you're doing ongoing throughout the video. Now, at the bottom, you'll see these little gray dots. these are the quiz questions that are going to pop up. Now, it's really important that you just don't skip to them. For it to log into the database, you have to watch a certain percentage of the video. If you skip through, it'll register that you haven't watched the video to that particular percentage, and your name will pop up, and I will assume that you have not listened to it. So it'll come through, and you will take the quiz. Now, so you would so what is the main idea of the video? To understand the components of the atom. Okay, and I would submit my answer. So I can view my answer. Yep, I'm happy with that. And let's continue. Okay, so you're going to obviously listen throughout this video. Okay, writing the glossary key terms in your glossary each and every time. With these, I want you, with these slides, and as I'm explaining them, I want you to summarize them. Make some notes, jot them down, so that you can look back on them either in class or when you're revising. Okay, so it's really important to summarize your notes. Okay, so I'm just going to submit, I'm just going to skip through these. I obviously want you guys to do these properly. Okay, so we see this. We can actually click on this link, okay, and it will take us to this website, okay, another interactive feature. And then you would engage with that. So we've gotten to this quiz. Now this quiz is a little bit different, okay? These have short answers. So I want you to make sure you do these slowly, think about them, and type really good responses so that when I read them, you are demonstrating your understanding to me. So if you don't answer them, I will say that you have not completed the video adequately, and I will make you redo them. So continue on. Now, throughout the video, it may tell you to download and complete a particular activity sheet. Now, what you can do then, so I'm going to pause this, okay? Now, all the worksheets are found underneath the video. So, yep. So the atom, your guide to the atom. Okay, so this is the worksheet I would like you to do for this particular video. Most the worksheets will generally have a worksheet associated. Some of them won't. They will just have a activity embedded within them that I want you to do. So I explain that in each of the videos. So with this worksheet, you can either write out underneath the structure of the lesson the title of the worksheet. So in this case, your guide to the atom, and then you can start filling in the answers, and just writing down the answers, or you can print this out. Either or, I don't really mind. So that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, which will be 3, which will go through the enrichment lessons and how to navigate around them.